Hey, this is Randy at Mountain Air Farms. Trying to find my stick. Oh well. I had a little bit of dilemma this morning. I bought new belts for it and put them on. And I mean, as soon as the oil, I got it down to just a little drip.
Not the oil, the diesel.
The diesel. As soon as I'd put just a little drip of diesel on there, it'd kick a blade. And it done it like 3 or 4 times. I finally cleaned the belts off, cleaned the blade up, got all the diesel off of it. And I've just cut this one up into a cant, this was a dry blade. But I don't know whether it's just a new belt. I mean, the other belt, it cut great with the other belt until I messed it up. I don't know whether it's got to wear the newness off of it or what, but if anybody's got any suggestions, because it was working great until I put my new belts on it. And they came from Wood-Mizer, so it's the same
belt.
Same belt, Wood-Mizer belts. Anybody got any suggestions? Let me know. So I'm going to go back to water. I guess I'll just have to cut when the temperature's above 50. Just get on the sawmill when the temperature's above 50 and I'll just keep it at water.
Yeah. Are you that considered a fair weather sawmill?
Yeah. Summertime sawmill.
Summertime sawmill.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wintertime. Yeah, it's been working great. Blade's been lasting a long time. But right there, I mean, just one right after another. And I mean, it wasn't just a little drop of it. But it's like them belts just got soiled with it really quick. And I don't understand why.
Okay.
But we're going back to water right now.
Now, what are you cutting? What is this for?
Poplar. It's a floorboards for, I put a 3/4 inch floor in it.
For the
I think
cabin?
I'm going to cut these like 3/4 inch floorboards for the cabin.
This is not our cabin. This is a cabin we're building for sale.
Yeah, it's somebody's cabin. But I'm going to go ahead and cut them, and I've got to cut enough to do the siding on the outhouse. And I need to cut some battens for that.
Okay.
And then I should have it, and I need to cut up the steps, what I'm going to use for steps. And all that should be done.
And then you also are doing the pavilion.
Yeah, which that's another thing. I'm trying to get one thing done at a time. And then tomorrow I need to drag out some longer poplar logs that are already cut. So I just been waiting on it to freeze up enough so I could drag them out of the woods without getting all muddy and everything, tearing up anything. But that's what I'm doing today. I'm just gonna cut the floorboards, put some water in it. Back to filling up the water jug again. Maybe with my second shutoff valve I can cut the water down where it won't be as much. It'll be enough, but not as much. Hopefully. But we'll see.
Okay. The sun is deceiving. The sun makes it looks like
It looks like it's
a nice
spring day.
But it's cold.
Cold.
It's what, 32, if that?
Yeah.
You need to dump that wood.
Huh?
You need to dump that wood. Our dogs are running around acting silly. Well, I'll turn y'all back on as soon as he starts milling. How many you got cut there?
So,
Roughly?
6.
6. Okay. And this is all for the flooring.
Well, there's siding on that floor.
Oh, siding? I thought it was the flooring.
It will be. Sawdust is sticking.
Sawdust is frozen. Frozen sawdust.
I like it in the summertime when you have the water hose and clean all your wood out.
I used to think cedar was my favorite. I think poplar is probably one of my favorites.
Several different colors in it.
Oh yeah.
The price of poplar board at Lowe's.
That's a, what, $20 board right there?
So I'm not discriminating Lowe's or Home Depot.
It's just getting crazy, the prices of store-bought lumber.
Yeah.
We've got people asking us about cutting stuff because they can't afford to go to the store. Okay.
Got a few more.
Got a few more. Now, that's the siding and...
Yeah, that's mainly the siding.
Okay.
I'll probably... I'll use some more of that. I've got another log or two in there I can use for the flooring.
Right.
I mean, we'll take this and the other. I just don't want... Witching knots in the floor would be fine. It'd look good on the floor.
You just don't want the holes.
Don't want the hole, but knots would look good.
Gives character.
Yeah.
I saw you adjusting the water.
Alright.
I saw you adjusting your water valve even more.
It saves on water. I'm putting out just enough to with the blade going through the wood. It's not over watering it. So even the second cutoff comes in handy on that. Because you're not having to reach down and finagle which one you're going to, how much water to go. If I can keep it from freezing up in the line.
Well, hopefully it won't freeze up in the line no matter what you're using right now.
Right.
It could be drained right back out.
Yeah. Oh, my nose is running.
Are you going to be able to get any more boards past where you've cut? Or is that going to be like a 2x4?
It's going to be a batting.
Batting? Okay.
I'm just going to dust them off after I get them up.
Okay. Well, this is all we're doing today. He's out here getting boards ready to go more on the outhouse and the flooring for the cabin build that we're doing.
Try to get the outhouse done today, that way get something done.
Right. It should only lacks, I think, the door. It don't lack much.
Yeah. Yeah, most of this, it'll be the flooring boards.
Right. And anything else you want to add, dear? Because my hand is freezing because you locked the truck and I don't have my tripod with me.
No, just like and subscribe.
Yes. Share your comments, suggestions. If you have any suggestions on Randy about the problem he had with the diesel, running in the water, if you've had that problem, or...
I know somebody has.
Yeah. So...
I love the diesel. I love how everything cuts. You don't have as much build-up of sawdust inside. But with the new belts, it just would not stay on there.
And I wonder if there maybe is an additive you could put in the water.
Oh, you can. They put dish soap in water and different things just to lubricate it.
Right.
Especially if you're cutting pine or something. We'll see what's going on. We'll figure it out eventually.
Oh, yeah. Sooner or later.
Yeah.
Well, remember, like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. We love to hear your comments and suggestions. And I'm going to let him get to it, and I'm going to get back in the warm because I am not a cold weather person. So, as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.